This is an ode to joy. Odonata, the toothed ones. And we're looking at a Canada darner right now. It's being very cooperative and perching right here, on a early fall day. And it's one of the more common darners that we see, and they're flying late into the September, sometimes well into October. So this is a great opportunity, probably gathering a little bit of heat and on one of the park buildings. And it is, without doubt, an ode to joy with those incredibly brilliant colors. The blues and the actual eyes are compound eyes, and it's just picture 1,000 TV sets together showing the same program, and that's the idea. And you can get that close-up vision of the compound eye. It's cleaning itself there now. There's another feature of the dragonfly, is that ability to turn the head around. Just phenomenal, and you could see how flexible it was, and almost able to turn its head so it's coming back around. Those spiny front legs are what it uses to capture its prey. You can see those spines would come in quite handy when you're grabbing something on the wing, and then a dragonfly will either come back to perch and eat its prey, or it would then be able to eat it on the wing and just discard what isn't going to be eaten. So a beautiful look at the Canada darner.